Good morning, students. This is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, Neltur. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 8.2 problems related to chapter 8 quadrilaterals. Welcome to exercise 8.2 problems. First question. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is a parallelogram and ABEF is a rectangle. Show that triangle AFD is congruent to triangle BEC. Solution. ABCD is a parallelogram and ABEF is a rectangle. Consider triangle AFD and triangle BEC. AD equal to BC. Since opposite sides of parallelogram ABCD. AF is equal to BE. Since opposite sides of rectangle ABEF. Angle AFD is equal to angle BEC, that is equal 90 degree, since each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. Therefore, triangle AFD is congruent to triangle BEC according to RHS congruency rule, hence proved. Second question, show that the diagonals of a rhombus divide it into four congruent triangles. Solution. ABCD is a rhombus and AC BD are two diagonals of rhombus ABCD, and also these two diagonals are perpendicular, bisect each other at O. Therefore, triangle AOB, triangle BOC, triangle COD and triangle DOA are four triangles formed by these diagonals. First, we have to take triangle AOB and triangle BOC. Observe these two triangles AB equal to BC. Since in rhombus all sides are equal, OB equal to OB, it is a common side of both triangles. OA equal to OC, since O is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB according to side congruency rule. Next, we have to take triangle BOC and triangle COD. Observe these two triangles BC equal to CD. Since in rhombus all sides are equal, OC equal to OC, it is a common side of both triangles. OB equal to OD, since O is the midpoint of BD. Therefore, triangle BOC is congruent to triangle DOC, since side congruency rule. In triangle COD and triangle AOD, CD equal to DA, since in rhombus all sides are equal. OD equal to OD, it is a common side of both triangles. OA equal to OC, here O is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, triangle COD is congruent to triangle AOD according to side congruency rule. Next, in triangle AOD and triangle AOB, AD equal to AB, since in rhombus all sides are equal. OA equal to OA, it is a common side of both triangles. OB equal to OD, because O is the midpoint of BD. Therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB according to side congruency rule. Therefore, the diagonals of a rhombus divide it into four congruent triangles. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle BOC is congruent to triangle COD is congruent to triangle DOA. Third question. In a quadrilateral ABCD, the bisector of angle C and angle D intersect at O. Then prove that angle COD is equal to half of the angle A plus angle B. Solution. ABCD is a quadrilateral. The bisectors of angle C and angle D intersect at O. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree, since angle sum property of quadrilateral. That implies angle A plus angle B is equal to 360 degree, and send angle C and angle D to the right side of the equation. It becomes minus of angle C plus angle D, and it is say equation 1. In triangle COD, angle COD plus half of the angle C plus half of the angle D is equal to 180 degree, since angle sum property of triangle. Next step, multiplying both sides by 2. That implies 2 into angle COD plus 2 into of, we get 1. 1 into angle C plus 2 into of 1 into angle D, that is equal 182 is 360 degree. Next step, 2 angle COD is equal to 360 degree, and send angle C and angle D to the right side of the equation. It becomes minus of angle C plus angle D. It is say equation 2. From 1 and 2, right side parts are equal, so LHS also equal. That implies 2 angle COD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Next step, angle COD is equal to transposing 2 to the right side of the equation. It becomes 1 by 2 into angle A plus angle B. Hence proved. To think, discuss and write. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and right bisectors of each other. Solution. Observe the picture. ABCD is a square and AC and BD, two diagonals are intersect at O. Then we have to prove it. AC equal to BD and OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD, and AC is perpendicular to BD. Proof. ABCD is a square that is given in the problem. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle with a pair of its consecutive sides are equal according to definition of a square. That implies AB equal to AD. Therefore, AC equal to BD since diagonals are equal in rectangle. Since ABCD is a rectangle and also it is a parallelogram because every rectangle is a parallelogram. Therefore, AO equal to OC, OB equal to OD since diagonals are bisect each other in parallelogram. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram and AB equal to AD. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus according to definition of rhombus, and also AC is perpendicular to BD because in rhombus diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, AC is equal to BD and OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD and AC is equal perpendicular to BD. Hence, the diagonals of a square are equal and right bisects of each other. Dear children, today home assignment is copy exercise 8.2 problems in paper 2 book. Thank you.